fluffies. It's bright and sunny. It's going to be a warm one. Cat treats are down. I dumped and rinsed out her water dish before refilling it with fresh water. Then put a handful of dry food in her dry food dish. She got her chewable flea and tick treatment. Now she's working on the cat treats before she joins Jay for her breakfast. And she's gone through the cat treats real fast. Okay. Today is third Wednesday of the month and free food giveaway in the back parking lot area. Holly's not in her usual spot because she doesn't like to be around people. So we are taking her to a... She's headed his way. Okay. Okie dokes. Enjoy your breakfast, Holly. We'll see you the next time. We have the female wild turkey here. Since we don't have a lot of songbirds showing up, I'm not going to keep them away from the songbird food area. Come on. Come on over. Yeah, come on. The water's over here. Come on. No, well, we didn't see CC yesterday, but he's here today. Jay's busy doing a video of the male turkeys that are showing up right now. The females will be leaving because they don't stick around long. Oh, we got a scrub jay that's
got the male turkeys showing up for breakfast.
yeah, the males are here. Jay's already done a video of them arriving, well, walking on the driveway of the church next door. The females are getting ready to leave. They don't hang around long. Run, 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 run. Okay, they're done. Boys have total time with the food and water all to themselves. Jay's tossing out a couple of live mealworms, a turkey favorite. No catch, I guess. He says, but I'll eat it once it gets to the ground. We have the peahen and her Peachick. Peachick is coming off the hay bale because he remembers I carry food. And Mom's not going to let him get too far away. Hi, look at you. You're growing up. You're so handsome. I think you're going to be a boy. That's okay. We don't judge. We need both. Yeah. Good looking. Look at you. Okie doke. I'm going to turn my camera off and give some food to this beautiful male chick. of the 2 peahens, the peacock, and our cute little peachick. Yes, you're adorable.
A little bit shy, and the baby.
One more.
We're back at Fluffy's. Sun is shining brightly and it's warming up the air. Cat treats are down. Jay's going to put the rest of the dry food in her dry food dish. Okie dokies, let's go check out in the dry. Come on down. Okay, you got it.